Something we don't see very often is snow.
As this cold front pushes its way down, we might have a little snow in the Panhandle.
Sunday morning, some Panhandle residents woke up to a sight most Floridians don't expect to see. But what makes Sunday's snowfall truly special is that it's the first time on record the Sunshine State saw measurable snow in back-to-back years.
You know, from Tallahassee to Pensacola, I-10, it's gotten so bad that FHP's decided to close a major section of it near Pensacola.
Some Panhandle residents witnessed history this morning as the Sunshine State saw snow for the second year in a row.
Take a look at our windshield. It's still frozen up. This is what happened as we were driving along I-10. You can see our windshield wipers frozen to the windshield. Here, our door handles also frozen.
It's Sunday at 4:30 in the morning, and we're at Ricky's house because we're getting up to drive to find snow to show Ricky for the first time. Today, we are Florida's #1 storm catchers. He's gonna be so mad. I think he fell asleep like an hour ago. Oh, I hear him. Fuck. Frankie should be on his way shortly. You look like Kramer from Seinfeld. No. Why would I ever do that? Where were you sleeping at? You're good, man. What up? You alright? The hardest part of the video is already done. Is getting inside of Ricky's house at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh my gosh.
Yo. Oh my god.
What's happening?
He went to sleep probably about an hour ago, I think. He messaged me at 1:30. He's like, what time are you gonna be here? Maybe around 4:15.
Up ASAP.
What's up, Ricky B? How you doing? Yeah, you do whatever you gotta do, man.
What's up, Frank?
Charlie Kirk would always say, if you want to stimulate some parts of your brain that you normally don't use, brush your teeth with your non-dominant hand. Alright, man. This is going to be a big mission. It's going to be a tough mission, but it's going to be a fun mission. Our mission: get this boy to see some snow. Supposedly snow in Florida today. Ricky's never seen snow before. It's Sunday, 5 a.m. We've gathered at Ricky's residence, and we are going to head straight north to find some snow. We could easily go to the Florida-Georgia line, but we're going to go north. We're going to go even more, and we're going to figure it out, and we're going to find the snow and make Ricky's dreams come true. Put them together. Snow on 3, snow on me. 1, 2, 3, snow! Let's get it.
On me. What?
Let's get it. I'm fucking ready, bro. Oh my god.
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're red, white, and blue.
Our destination, we made it simple on ourselves. We're going to a fucking Buc-ee's. I forget what it's called, in like Robbins, Georgia, or fucking Hawkinsville, Georgia, or some shit, something like that.
Byron.
Huh?
Byron, Georgia.
Byron, Georgia. I still don't think that's it.
It's so long.
That's
No, that's what it says.
No, I'm saying yeah, no, I don't think that's it.
It's,
no.
bro, my tags are bad.
What? Right now? They're bad?
11:25, yeah.
Did you get it fixed?
Not yet.
No, they're bad.
No, they're bad. I just
4 hours and 6 minutes to our destination. Arrival 10:14, which is okay because I was thinking we're gonna get there by like 11, but 10 is okay.
And that bitch used to eat that.
I love release.
Okay, we stopped at a rest stop. Ricky has to pee. We've been driving for like an hour, and we're getting there. We're about 3 hours away. How's the drive been so far, Ricky?
Pretty good.
How do you feel? Are you excited?
Locked in, yeah. Heck yeah.
Been seeing the radar, right?
Well, not really. I've been watching your radar.
If we see Mike's weather page, man, that'll be huge. I should probably pee.
Yes.
You wanna hold this and watch me pee real quick? Oh, they got the coffee machine. Rest stop 47, I-75, birthplace of Tom Petty. We got the premium blend, the French vanilla, the cafe latte. 1, 2, 3. Fuck oi slop. Let me get a fit check real quick at the rest stop. How much is the fit? How much is the fit?
You know what I'm saying? I don't know, probably retail 170, probably like 120, probably like 90. I am representing the
Oh.
got Big Adam on me.
Okay.
Got Big Adam on me.
I don't know the brand of this jacket. You got Nike Fly Knits. I wore these hitchhiking, about 40 bucks from Ross. Actually the best Nike shoe I've ever wore. Nike socks, one pair of socks. I would say it'd go for about like $6 maybe. Asics jogger sweatpants, my favorite sweats actually. I love these. And then I got the old school Pokemon sweater. And then I got the Tampa Bay Race fitted. I don't know, Ali bought it for me, so.
So I got these Asics, they're dirty. These were free, a gift, and this is a Radiohead shirt, free, it was a gift. This is a nice Patagonia shirt. A little Carhartt action, got it at Lowe's, I think it was like
I'm working on myself.
20 bucks.
Shout out Truly.
So 120 bucks for the whole outfit.
I couldn't give you a total on mine, to be honest, I have no idea. Here we're at the birthplace of Tom Petty. Tom Petty was born at this rest stop. Yeah, ain't that crazy? Cool.
Live from the gutter dog. Yeah.
Should play Incubus or.
I was about to. What, bro? Look, Pardon Me or Drive or which one?
See, this guy's looking up. He's like, oh my God, it's coming. He's like looking up in the sky. Oh my God, it's actually happening. It's coming.
Pardon me while I burn.
There's just like a state trooper sitting right there, like facing this way. He just sees us like.
He shot that woman!
We're almost there, man. Ricky's about to see snow for the first time in his life. We're gonna watch tears roll down his face.
That is so good, that frosting. Can't describe it. I don't know what it tastes like. It's so good though. Like cream cheese base.
Butter cream.
Something like that.
My uncle was in a Godsmack cover band.
What?
Pretty sick. That is pretty sick.
That is pretty sick.
But he also tragically died from living the rock star lifestyle.
It happens.
Liver cirrhosis.
We're about to pass this big blob of rain, and once we get past that yellow, we're almost in it. We're almost there. We've been driving for what, 3 hours? This town called Cordell, Georgia, in about 50 minutes. And once we're there, we know we'll be in the snow.
I got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and dime.
This is crazy. I've never seen nothing like that.
This is crazy. Holy fuck. It's making snow angel. Ricky's freaking out.
Had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. Should've known we never get far. Oh, when I look back now, the summer seemed to last forever. And if I had the choice, yeah, I'd always wanna be there. Those were the best days of my life.
Let's do it again. Oh, hey, ceasefire. Go. Catch it. My hands are so cold.
You guys should race.
Race? Ah! Oh, that went right past my head and almost hit me in the cheek. I ain't racing.
Mission accomplished. Rick's seen snow, played in it, felt it, lived in it, thrived in it,
Survived in it.
thrived in it, jived in it.
Did a little slide in it.
Snow on me, snow on 3. 1, 2, 3, snow. Like toward me though, toward me. Well, we did it, boys. Rule number one, everybody in Buc-ee's is going through a manic episode. Holy hell, bro. Look at all of these people.
You gotta say hi to the Buc-ee statue.
Okay.
Like before you even walk in.
Is that like tradition? Initiation, I gotta say hi to the Buc-ee statue. Oh, no way. Okay.
Yo, send this to Cole. Send this to Cole.
It's our first time at Buc-ee's. We say cheese. Ricky, what'd you get at Buc-ee's today?
Ooh, I got a brisket thing. I got an alani protein shake. Oh my god. And I got bohemian garlic and Korean barbecue beef jerky. I look online and said these are good ones. They're really good. They're really good ones. We'll see. And I got a water.
Dropping meat everywhere.
And I got a